Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get food crates on Grow a Garden. So basically you want to obviously do the quest here. So right now Chris wants a cake. I still don't know the recipe for the cake. It's not working yet, so hopefully I'll find one here. If you go to view rewards, you'll see that you can get a fruit crate. And I have one in my garden, so let's open it together. What did I get? What is that a coffee machine? Hello? What is that? Is it here? Wait. Is it an accessories? Okay, I did get what appears to be a coffee maker. I don't really know the purpose of it though. Like I can't press on a thing. But yeah, that's what I got from the crate, and you'll get more items like that too if you do the cooking quest. I think it's actually a little bit more fun than the quests that I've had previously, if I'm being honest, because you don't just like give it to the whoever is like in the middle. You have to like actually cook it and like know the recipes. So yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.